Our base case for the Nifty in 2024 is to rise in line with earnings, so around 15%. But there's going to be many themes we feel that which will play out in 2024, where we think there could be very strong returns, much higher than 15% over the next few years. Geopolitical, we all know what's going on in the world and some of the events that have been happening and playing out. So defense spending is a global factor which will continue to play out through India. So defense stocks we feel will continue to do well. Part of the problem is that you never know when the orders are going to come. So I think having a basket of some of the defense stocks would be a good way to have that exposure to the defense sector. Renewable energy, not going away from us, but globally it might be slowing initially at the moment in terms of investment, but we think this is going to be a very big theme that plays out over the next 5 to 10 years. I think the other thing that we were looking at, as India continues to grow, as its GDP continues to grow, when your per capita GDP gets that $2,500, people want to do things differently. They bought their two-wheelers, or they bought their fridges or microwaves, so they want experiences, and we're going to see that continue to be a theme playing out through airlines, hotels, as people move up their experiences in terms of spending money within India, and I think that will be very good for the earnings growth of both the airlines and the hotel sector going forward. We think along this theme, premiumization in the beverage industry, both alcohol and non-alcohol, will continue apace, whether it's from new whiskies, new gins, to coffee, tea, wines. We think people are moving up the curve very quickly. It's a young generation of 430 million people under the age of 40. So we can see this move over many years. So we think we're just at the beginning of the runway for the change in the beverage industry in terms of premiumization. So those are the main themes that we think will play out very well, and that's where you're probably going to make the most money.